Alright, this is Ron Vargo again with Peterbilt of Atlanta. On today's ride around, we've got us a 2025 Peterbilt 567 with the tx-12 12-speed automated transmission. A lot of people are used to the old Endurance transmissions that would jerk you out of your seat when you were going from backwards to forwards and just taking off. So I just want to do a little ride along to show how smooth these transmissions really operated. So no clutch pedal, release the brakes, shift it into drive, ease off the brake, and off we go. So if you check out my other two videos that I recently posted, you'll see that I did a ride along in an Allison 4500 series, as well as the Eaton Endurance 18-speed or the Paccar tx-18, same transmission, automated. So you see we had a nice easy takeoff, no jerking. Easy, smooth shifts. Forward to reverse. Just ease off the brake. Get nice, easy movement backwards. So if you were in a dump truck and you were backing into an asphalt spreader, be nice and easy. Go forward. Nice easy takeoff. So if you were to be spreading gravel, you can do it. In both the tx-12 and the tx-18 Pro, you also get what we call rock free mode. So there'll be a switch in the dash. You activate the switch, so if the truck was stuck in any mud, snow, gravel, or whatever, it's an easy transition from forward to reverse, and it allows you to do it quickly to rock the vehicle free, whatever you're stuck in. Any questions or you'd like to go for a ride yourself, just give me a call. 706-372-4698.